Hello friends, today we are going to start transportation service. In India, generally there are three main ways of transportation: road transportation, railway transportation, and airways are general, but wherever the river sea connectivity are found, people are used to do transportation by boats also. So it is a part of our transportation service too. But except all these things, sometime for the liquid and the gaseous transportation we can use pipeline transportation, right? So here, for the point of view of the human transporting, generally we use airways, railways and roadways. But for point of view of goods transportation, we use railways, roadways, airways, waterways and pipeline, right? So transportation service is provide facility to transit people and goods from one place to another place. Remember, generally in our Indian economy, requirement of the transportation facility is essential facility also, because we use these transportation facility for our own requirement. So we try to provide maximum supports to do transportation in all the way. People are using cheaper way of the transportation maximum for sending their goods. So in the international trade, mostly waterways are in use, but in the faster transportation in the international way, people use airways also. So it is not a matter that what is more important and what is less important, but in economical aspect, the cost of transportation is become major factor. So in the international transportation of the goods, waterways are mainly used and airways are become somehow costly. But railway and roadways nearby the two land boundary connected countries, it is possible, otherwise not possible. In present day, there are so many new changes are coming, that China is connecting many countries by one railway belt. One belt, one road connectivity project is in process by China, connecting to Iran through Europe, Iran to Europe. So it is creating future possibility, but today it is not. Today these are the ways which I have discussed just before. Okay, now we start to discuss about types of transportation. First is human oriented transportation. Second is animal operated transportation. Third is airways. Fourth is land operated transportation. Fifth is generally waterways, and sixth is pipeline. So as the human operated transportation is only for the local point of view, it is possible to carry the goods in a lorry, and a person took the goods in lorry from one place to another. It is a local thing. So it is a part of the human oriented transportation. Pedal rickshaws are used in so many places. As like Kolkata, pedal rickshaw is used in almost part. So remember that human operated transportation is only useful for the local requirement, not other part of the requirement. Understand? Second one is animal operated transportation. Generally, different carts like horse cart, like bullock carts are used. Generally, in earlier time, in schools, students were going to the school by sitting in the horse carts. Our earlier ancient period, the chariots were being used with the horses. So it is India's one of the ancient type of transportation vehicle. Bullock cart is also well known. From the ancient period we know it. Okay. Now the third one is airways. In airways, we have started to use after invention of the aeroplanes. Generally use humans, goods, both are transported from one place to another place in a long distance and faster movement. Airways is useful and proper. Not to use the road, but to careful about climate and birds. The aeroplanes have to flee. Short distance, less quantity of goods, not numbers of people but specific few numbers of people can go through aeroplane. Sometime with aeroplanes, helicopters are also used. It is also called choppers, which are used for going through airways. When there is no possibility of the runway in any two near distant places, also airways are important. So in that way, you can understand very well that where is no possibility of the roadways, where is no possibility of the waterways. In that situation, airways are useful. Now I want to add one more point. In present days, the trolleys are used. Connect with the chain. The trolleys are used, connect with the chain from one place to another place to be transported. So there are so many other ways which may not immediately understand. Right, my friends?